Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ecobee thermostat, quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have all the necessary tools at hand. You will need a screwdriver, level, and your new Ecobee thermostat. Turn off the power to your heating and cooling system at the circuit breaker. Remove the existing thermostat from the wall. Carefully detach any wires connected to the old thermostat. Take note of the wire colors and labels for reference. Now, prepare the Ecobee thermostat for installation. Open the Ecobee box and take out the thermostat and the mounting bracket. If necessary, use the level to ensure the bracket will be straight on the wall. Use the provided screws to attach the bracket to the wall where the old thermostat was. Feed the wires through the opening in the bracket. Connect the wires to the corresponding terminals on the Ecobee thermostat. Make sure to secure the wires firmly to prevent any disconnections. Once the wires are connected, snap the Ecobee thermostat into place on the bracket. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. The Ecobee thermostat will power up and prompt you to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferences. You'll need to connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the Ecobee will download any necessary updates. Complete the setup by configuring your heating and cooling preferences. Finally, take a moment to place your Ecobee sensor in an optimal location if you have one. Your Ecobee thermostat is now set up and ready to help you save energy and improve your home comfort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.